Hey there friends, Susan here with sketch number 36 from our DSP sketch projects. If you're new here, remember to subscribe below so you don't miss out on any of the fun projects in this collection. Okay, so to get started, today we're playing with the Fresh as a Daisy Designer Series paper, and I'm pairing it with Wild Wheat cardstock and Basic White. These two panels of DSP come from a previous project I've shared. We're using the two larger sections for this project. The DSP here in Wild Wheat I've embossed with the Distressed Tile embossing folder. I like the effect of that. Next I did some simple stamping with the So Sincere stamp set and the Wild Wheat ink on my little piece of Whisper white cardstock. So here are all the parts and pieces for the project, and you know you can get all the details on the mini tutorial if you subscribe to that special email. Start your project by folding your cardstock in half and scoring it with your bone folder. Next we're going to add the DSP with liquid adhesive. First I'm doing the flowered panel on the right, framing that in, and then I'm adding the textured piece of DSP to the left as a detailed embellishment over the top. Okay, so now it's time to make our sentiment tag, and I'm going to add some of this Wild Wheat jute twine. So first I use my bone folder to fold back the long end of my tag. Then I'm adding a dimensional to the back and tacking down the end of the twine. Then I wrap the twine around about 3 times and tack it again on that original dimensional. Then I added a couple more dimensionals to add some body to the tag. Then I used a little liquid adhesive and adhered it to the front of my card. I really like the texture and the twine together. Tell me what you think, leave me a comment below, and let me know if you like this project. So before you go, remember again, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to subscribe to my newsletter, the links are below. Leave me comments, I'd love to know what you think, and I'll be stamping again with you real soon. Have a great day.